Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
Once you go through the life cycle, we'll start the session. Can you open your flow and from flow open the flow action? Is that it? Correct. This is a process. Now from you, click on open process. The flow will be open. And open the flow action. Flow action will be present and connected. Double click on it. Please. No flow action. Is there my address? You can open that address. No, that is a header below in the connector you have to open in the history. You have to click on the crosshair icon. Check your class address, then check your rule set is correct. Class is correct. Now create and open. For particular address, particular floor, we are creating one by one right. Now here add your section. Any section a collector address in for any meaningful name you give and you create it. The section also need to create. You can give any name. Is that fine? It's fine. You click on that crosshair icon. You check your class is fine. You just save this one first. Save the section. After that, you save the flow action also. Just save it. You check out there. Whenever you said, now you save the flow action. It's showing new, right? Still it is there like new. New in the sense it is not yet saved. Now go to your section. You check out it. Check out in the sense you are making changes to the section now. Click on Convert to Full Section Editor. That hyperlink is in a blue color hyperlink in the header. No, below that. This is a got it. This section is going to be a unit of taxes for the general section. It will take them. Now if you observe, there is one dynamic layout, see dynamic layout 1. Section contains layouts. Layout contains the properties. You observe the relation here. Initially there is a flow inside flow. You have flow action inside for action. You have section inside section. You have layouts. Inside layout will be having properties. Yeah. I send it. What I'm trying to say is like flow is a high level thing. Correct inside flow. You have flow actions on connectors. If you open connector, you have flow action. If you open for action, in just actually have a section. In that section, if you open a section, you have a layout inside layout. You will be adding up properties. Actually changes whatever it is going to reflect in GUI. I mean front end. That should be addressed here in layout. What are the changes you need to show it on user interface? Those changes you have to do it on sections. And which user interface needs to come when those things. You have to configure the flow level. You understand which screen has to come first. Yes, this one. That is the same in shape. Got it right. Now go to section. Try to add a property. Click on data capture. Data capture is in a structural data capture because, still to the right. Data capture. Drag and drop text input here. Drag it and drop it inside a layout here. Double click, or you can also click on the right side the gear icon. Is there no one blue color? Click on that. And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.